Welcome! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to send a message to a new chat on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update that makes messaging easier and more efficient. First, open the Instagram app on your PC by navigating to the official Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu where you'll find several options. Click on Messenger. This is Instagram's messaging hub on PC where all your conversations are stored. Next, find and click the new message icon. It's usually represented by a pencil or plus sign and is located near the top of the Messenger panel. Clicking this will open a search bar where you can type the username of the person you want to message. As you type, Instagram will suggest matching accounts. Simply select the correct account from the list. After selecting the account, click Chat to open a new conversation window. Here, you can start typing your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Whether it's a quick hello, a question, or something more detailed, just write your message. When you're ready, click the Send button